Hey guys, my name's Quentin. We have a problem with our 2017 Nissan Armada. I tried starting our Nissan Armada up, but it won't. I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna push the brake to see if it's starting or not. It didn't start earlier, but I'm not sure if it is. Well, hopefully it is. The engine was making a buzzing noise, so let's hear it. Nope, it didn't start. I tried starting our Nissan Armada. We tried starting our Nissan Armada, but it won't. So let me try again. The engine keeps making a buzzing noise coming from over there. Nope, that didn't start. Well, anyway, thank you for watching this video. I tried putting my foot on the brake, but it won't start, but it keeps not starting well. Something is wrong with our Nissan Armada, so we might need to call the dealership to see what's wrong with our with our Nissan Armada. I mean my Nissan Armada. We bought this car at the Chevrolet. We bought this car at the Chevrolet dealership in Vacaville in January of last year. In January of 2019. We bought it in January 2019. We bought that last year in January 2019. Last time it was working fine, but it won't start. Alrighty. Thank you for watching this video. My mom tried changing the new battery on this key fob right there, but it won't start. Well, anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.